iPhone is one of the most used phones because of its features and uses. However, like every other phone, it can stall or experience other problems. In this case, the recovery mode on iPhone is very important, since it can help to keep your data intact and make your phone run smoothly. What does the recovery mode work for? iPhone recovery mode repairs phone issues, restores functionality. It's activated with button presses, common across phones, customized for tasks like data deletion or retrieval. Crucially, it fixes the OS, regardless of the damage cause. What does the recovery mode work for? iPhone screen freezes, incorrect app installations, failed restoration processes, making the phone unrecognizable. iPhone fails to boot, stops at Apple logo. Recovery mode fully restarts the phone. How to put your iPhone into recovery mode. 1. iPhone 8 and iPhone X series. Connect phone to computer, open iTunes, press volume up, then volume down. Hold side button until connect to iTunes logo appears. In iTunes, choose update or restore as needed. 2. iPhone 7 series. Connect iPhone 7 7 Plus to computer, open iTunes, press volume down and power buttons together briefly. Release buttons when connect iTunes logo appears. In iTunes, choose restore when prompted about an issue with the iPhone. 3. iPhone 6 series and lower versions. Step 1. Also, build a connection between your iPhone and computer, and then open iTunes. Step 2. Press and hold the home as well as the power buttons at the same time. Step 3. Release both buttons when the Connect to iTunes logo appears on the screen. Step 4. Similarly, click on Update or Restore when the following prompt appears. How to get an iPhone out of recovery mode. For iPhone 8 8 Plus or X or X's Max, press volume up and volume down to shut down. Hold side to restart. For iPhone 7 7 Plus, hold side and volume down together. Release at Apple logo.